have Kamen Rider. Kamen Rider さんは have played Taiko before. Okay, please. Kamen Rider さん、go. Wait for you. Just be. Oh. Kamen Rider さん、それは what type of Kamen Rider? Is it the original one? 大丈夫ですか? Can you hold? Can you see? 面白いですね. I see many cosplayers these 2 days, but I'm happy to see you because more than half cosplayers, I don't know who they are, because many of them from gameplay and I'm you. Yes, I'm very happy. All right. Yes. Kamen Rider-san, can you? How much can you jump? Jump. Yes. Yes. Very good. Yeah. Jump so much. Okay. Jump. Hold it. Hop. Yes, very good. Okay, let's the warm up. So same thing. 1, 2, 3, hop. 2, hop. 1, 2, 3, hand down. Sword. Kamen Rider-san, sword. And it can be your Rider pose. It can be Kamen Rider pose.
Okay. We will
The Kamen Rider. Yes, you can do that. Yeah. Yes. Okay. では let's pass 2 times. For the rhythm. You have to come to. Alright, let's practice the ending part. Follow domo. Hi. So. Right. Hi. Hi. Hop. 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 Ah, いいですね。かっこいいですね。Okay. Performance, right? And mic up. Okay, so I think this is this segment. Those who missed, please come again next Sunday. We have one more time. Okay, ready? Okay, the people up there, please stay. This is very interesting. Here, いきますか? じゃあ、はい、それ、down, down, down,はい、はい、はい、ほれ、はい、はい、ポーズ、はい、はい、はい、ポーズ、はい。Yes, so many cameras today. Okay, wait. Okay, then come back. いいですね。はい、では、please, I say ありがとうございました。Please follow me and we bow together. Okay? ありがとうございました。ありがとうございました。Bow, stay, 3 seconds. Hey, come back. Look at the audience. Very good. Please give them a round of applause again. Very good. I want to take photo with this. Okay. Okay, so Kamen Rider さんね、日本人ですか？シンガポールの方ですか？はい。Come on. Okay, let's take photo. Just now we should have taken with the other team. すいません。After taking this, those who try just now 2 rounds. If you want to come up for the, you can come. Just wait. Okay, take one photo. So, can I touch? Can I touch? なんかちょっと困ってるみたいな。疲れちゃったから。let's get. Okay, those who just now try, if you want to come. Okay, come. Who else try? Just now try. Somebody else try. You can come. Okay, on the stage. Come. 仮面ライダーさん知ってるかな、女の子は知ってる？多分お母さんの年代がね、ちょっとな感じね。仮面ライダーちょっと置いたかなって、Let me just adjust your costume. I think you頑張ったso much. はい、okay, let's get the camera. Okay, yes, let's get the camera. Which one is the official camera? Okay, there, center. Please watch. You have one more? You finish? Okay, thank you very much. はい、いいですね。It's nice to see many costumes. よかった。Okay, after this, our last segment for the fourth session, we showcase very special performance. I think even some Japanese people, if you're not from that region, maybe you never watched. This performance is from Iwate Prefecture. You will see special mask, special costume. So in a way, it looks like cosplayer maybe. Okay, but they have the sword as well. All right, so please, if your kid scared of a bit monster kind of look, just hold them tight so that they don't get scared. Okay, so we